11 remote or regional pumping stations within 8 communities, as well as a treatment plant about a mile inland. Of the 11 pumping stations, 8 of them had seen significant damages. As a result of that, we put together a team of people that developed what we think is a first of its kind mobile pumping station. We call it a mobile enclosure, and we have all of the motor control centers, all of the variable frequency drives, all the auxiliary generation devices, switch gears. All critical electrical components are housed within a trailer that was built for site-specific for the intention of moving it. In the event we have a major storm occur along the Atlantic coast and local evacuations are given, we too will evacuate. We actually connect that trailer to a tractor and we remove all of those critical components from the area in which they could be damaged. We don't necessarily abandon the pump station at that point in time. What we do is we remove the critical components and in place of them, we put a sacrificial piece of equipment, either a standalone generator or a bypass pump, so that those who do remain in the community and haven't evacuated, we can still provide service to a limited capacity. We went through a feasibility analysis to see whether or not a mobile enclosure fit that application. It's been determined that a mobile enclosure really is a least cost alternative to the conventional rebuilding of the pump station. And Bert, you may have more to say about that.
And we're always on the lookout for minimization measures and avoidance measures on how to avoid and keep infrastructure safe within the floodplain or move it out. This was a new and innovative process that I've never seen before, and I thought it was a great opportunity to document it so that we can put it into our suggested ways to minimize the effects of floodwater on critical infrastructure, which is what a sewer system is.
You know, it certainly applies to wastewater treatment, and I think it has its place in the water treatment sector as well.
Yep.
We are now looking at a second application of the mobile enclosure to a facility that has seen millions of dollars of damage over the last 5 to 7 years. Matter of fact, the damages have exceeded the actual value of that asset. That's really what prompted us to go in. So we just simply can't continue to fund the repair of assets in locations where they're going to continually get damaged. We needed to get out of the box and do something different.
Under the floodplain review process, this was a really good treatment measure to avoid and minimize repeated damages to critical infrastructure like sewer and water systems. And I've not seen this anyplace else other than in New Jersey, and wanted to capture this concept and this method so we can use it throughout where it's appropriate in other disasters in other states.